when Trump came to office and he started talking about tariffs, talking about imposing tariffs on China, Canada, and pretty much the whole world. This is one of the biggest manipulation we've had, and then we've continued to displace pretty aggressively as price continued. When we have these news drivers where it might be a war, it might be election, where it might be tariffs, a lot of times you guys can follow the manipulation as it's happened, and we could see the distribution in real time. The method I use is, why isn't there a fair value gap? So when I look at price and I see a certain low, so from this low to this high here, there is no fair value gaps on the monthly time frame. So there's a very high chance that price will manipulate here, continue that expansion after manipulation. And on the weekly time frame, we could see our bullish weekly fair value gaps are failing, and we have a price making bearish weekly fair value gap that is pushing price to this low here. So this whole thing here is just a massive manipulation, and we start getting price distributing very aggressively. And on the daily time frame, it's even more clear. We can see once we do reach our key area, our daily bearish fair value gaps aren't pushing price lower, and we start making bullish daily fair value gaps, and price continues in our expansion. So when you guys see price moving very aggressively, it's most likely to reach a key level before distribution. And the thing is, you guys can see this with elections too. So we'll have price taking out this low here. This is November 5, where it's election day, and we could see price is ramping up. But where is price actually retracing to as a manipulation before price continues? Price is just retracing to a weekly fair value gap, and we could see our weekly bearish fair value gaps are no longer pushing price lower, and then we have this run up. We start making more weekly fair value gaps before price starts reversing, and we take out the yearly fair value gap down here. But it's very important to understand, when we have these news events, when we have wars, election, tariffs, all these announcements, it's very important to understand where price is going to be drawn to as manipulation before the real move actually happens. Now, if you guys want to learn more about fair value gap and time and about all this, how it works, I do highly recommend joining the Discord, where you guys can find a link in bio.